Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel InferiorAK, and I have just recently published a tool on Proxy made with Python, and the features are available. Scrap proxies, it can generate IPs, it can check proxies, and also you can add ports to an IP file that you have generated. So by the way, let's have a look into it. So I'll just clone it first, and you will get all commands here and the guidelines here. Okay, so I have got the terminal and then git clone, and after cloning it, cd MiProxy. Okay, so here is the files, and I have to run this one first. I have to install the modules. So here it is, and installed, and then run python MiProxy help. So I'll get every commands and all arguments. So let's generate some IPs first. So here is the command generate is the mode, and count means how many IPs you want to generate. So let's suppose I want 100. So here it is, and it also saved into a file that is output.txt. And if you declare custom file name, then suppose out1.txt, something like that. Okay, so out1.txt. Okay, so cat out, here it is. And now let's add ports into that IP. So python MiProxy add a for file, and then out on, and then port. Suppose I want 8822, and then the output file name will be suppose port IP. Okay, IP plus port.txt. And now what is here, ip.txt. So just read it. Okay, you can see that file, the IP and the port, and just add it. Okay, so now let's scrap some proxies. Okay, so here it is, and for that you have to do python MiProxy and then scrap and API, the API of proxy. I have one. There it is. I'll just copy it and then paste here. Okay, so this is HTTP proxies. Okay, and if you type here sox4, then sox4, sox5 for sox5. Actually, it's for this this API, and you can have some other kind of API, but I'll use this one. And this one is the, okay, let's define a custom file name. Output is proxy.txt. Okay, so proxy.txt, yeah, and then check the proxies. Suppose, okay, MiProxy check, and suppose f proxy.txt, and then type of proxy, type HTTP, and then timeout suppose on 0.5, and the output of the valid proxy should be valid.txt. Okay, so the process has begun, and here I got on. here valid.txt get valid. And also there are some another arguments like these. Okay, this is your dump continent, dump country. Okay, I'll use this one, A. So here the mode is A, mean all information about it. Here you can see, and then this one. Okay, get valid. Okay, here is the saved proxies. Okay, after that you can also check the proxies with custom URL. Like if I want to check it this URL, then the proxies will be checked out with that URL. And now it is just checking with a default URL that I have given it. So let's have a look with it. So python pro MiProxy, and then check, and then suppose custom URL, that is this, and proxy file proxy.txt, and then type http, and then timeout I suppose 0.5, and output file val.txt. Okay, so it is taken with that URL. Okay, so you can see. So this is how it works, and you can have a try. And it's just made with simple requests module and some other ingredients. And I would like to say something that you can use this. It's free to use for everyone, but don't copy my codes. And if you want to try to and if you want to copy my codes, then please give me my credit. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks.